Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today just arrived. More than hundreds of Rohingya arrived in Bangladesh, Shahpur Deep, and many of them injured by the drone strikes. And there also you can see there are many age-old, also many children were injured severely. This you can see. This huh? Trust me now, you go there. She is injured by she was injured by immunization. Boratiyar masjid hai. Acha Boratir ko hondili ki hondiya. Okay. She was injured by huge weapons. And also there's also another child. Okay. Sure. Oh dear. How do you pray like? So another is still bleeding and also bleeding. And also she's injured also here. And also one of her thumb also destroyed. Severe injured. It's okay. She's also okay. Injured in her breast. Assalamu alaikum. She even forgotten her name. Okay. Aksha. Aksha boy. Online kina. Somira Begum. So Hamarkalla, why are you crying? So Hamarkalla. I'm worried and sad. I'm worried and I'm in perfect situation. Therefore, I'm crying. It's really insurmountable situation because of here they are a committed genocide over them and displace them from their own country. It is right. Yeah. Okay. We are in the border now. Now the genocide survivors, they are at the boatman shelter and they are really worried. Therefore, they are missing everything. And when they will have reached to their relatives' house, then we will ask them. Today, more than 200 Rohingya has arrived in Bangladesh and more than 10,000 survive at the river bank in Myanmar. In Bangladesh, as you can see, where she's sitting. Online kina over. Aida Begum. So on hotta shoda. Today she arrived today. Actually, I said, "Oh, Burma, how to do the story? Man, who do you know?" Follow hoya dekhi. ये हदरुत तो है Okay. When they were crossing the river at that time, they were apprehended by the AA and then they were taken to somewhere else and then AA told them that AA told them to tell to the media in Bangladesh that they were not committed they were not harassed or tortured or committed genocide by AA and AA said that if anyone asks you, then you have to say that the military committed genocide on you. As you can see, this is a genocide survivor. She just arrived today here in Bangladesh, and now we are taking to hospital. Now we are taking to this injured back into the hospital. As you can see, she's injured critically. You can see.